Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to queue on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your credentials. After logging into your account and then accessing your Netflix screen, you will see the various different recommendations for your account. Now you can see the trailer and a few details about a show that you are curious about. And if you decide that you might want to watch this show, you can tap on the My List plus icon and this will be added onto your list right away. By doing this, you can add various shows onto your queue, and when you find a show that you might want to watch later, you can simply tap on the My List option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add various shows to your queues on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.